If you want to integrate Zapier with Wix, this video will walk you through the full setup step by step so you can connect your tools, automate your workflow, and save time on repetitive tasks. Whether you want to send Wix leads into a spreadsheet, trigger emails, or connect your website to other apps, this is a simple way to get started. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you are on the Zapier dashboard, look for the Create button at the top or in the main menu and click it. This is where you start building a new automation. After that, choose Zap Workflows, because a Zap is the automation that connects one app to another. Now you need to set up the trigger. Click on Trigger to choose the app that will start the automation. In the app search bar, type Wix and click on it when it appears. This tells Zapier that Wix will be the starting point for your workflow. Next, you will be asked to choose an event. Select any event that fits your use case, such as a new form submission, a new contact, or another Wix activity, depending on what you want the automation to do. After selecting the event, log into your Wix account when prompted. This step allows Zapier to access the data it needs from Wix. Make sure you review the connection carefully and continue through the authorization steps so the apps can communicate properly. Once your trigger is connected, move on to the action step. Click Action to choose what should happen next after Wix captures the trigger event. In the app search field, type the name of the app you want to connect. For example, you could use Google Sheets if you want to save Wix leads into a spreadsheet. Select the app you want, then click on Choose an Event and pick the action that matches your workflow, such as creating a new row or updating a record. After choosing the action, log into that app as well. This connection is what makes the automation work from start to finish. Now Zapier has both sides of the workflow set up. Wix as the trigger and your chosen app as the action. Before you publish, click Build It in the top area if Zapier offers that option for your setup. This helps you review the automation and make sure everything is mapped correctly. Then click Test Run so Zapier can check whether the workflow works as expected. Testing is important because it helps you catch problems before the automation goes live. If the test looks good, the last step is to click Publish. Once you publish the Zap, it becomes active and starts running automatically in the background whenever the trigger event happens in Wix. That means no more manual copying, pasting, or switching between tools. Your workflow is now automated, and that's how to integrate Zapier with Wix in just a few simple steps. You've connected the trigger, chosen an action, tested the workflow, and published it so it can run automatically. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.